Craving that credit score boost? Let me spill the beans on ensuring your positive financial moves make it to the credit bureau spotlight. Here's the deal. Not all heroes wear capes, but your on-time payments, responsible credit use, and positive financial habits are credit superheroes. To ensure they shine on your credit report, establish a solid credit history. Start with a credit card or a small loan, making consistent, timely payments. It's like giving your credit score a power-up. Check your credit report regularly to ensure those superhero moves are accurately reflected. But here's the call to action. Don't just wait for things to happen. Be proactive. Communicate with lenders, ensuring they report your positive behaviors. Advocate for your credit superhero status. Ready to turn your financial habits into credit superheroes? Dive into the credit world with intention, make those positive moves, and watch your credit score rise to superhero levels.